What is up, guys? Back at it again with another unboxing. Today we've got the Keychron K8 Pro wireless mechanical keyboard. Let's get into it. Alrighty, let's get this open. Now, funny enough, I'm really bad at opening parcels, and I don't know why I'm doing it in this accent. Time to get busy and use tools. Wow, that is some strong tape. Oh, there it is. That's what I'm talking about. K8 Pro. I mean, because you can't read upside down. Oh, let's go. Take some of this off, take some of this off. We got spare keycaps, starter's guide. But the main event, what everyone is so curious to see, is this old boy. Listen to that. Love it. I can't lie, it's a little hefty. But that's cool. Alright. Wow. Now I've got some custom keycaps that I bought off AliExpress. Can you guess what anime they're from? Anyway, let's... And that is it. Fully made with my custom Evangelion keys. So we got what? This is the K8 Pro Keychron wireless mechanical keyboard, brown switches, Evangelion case. I just want to drop a shout out to the Vodafone crew. You guys are romance. Everyone that I almost said donated. Everyone that gifted money towards this present, it does mean a lot. This is the first mechanical keyboard and wireless keyboard I've ever had, actually. So thanks so much. And yeah, I guess this is as simple as that. Hopefully no angel attacks are incoming, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And peace.